This is a 2008 Mariah FS18. So it's the Fish and Ski 18 foot, red and white. Does come with a spare prop. Here's the one that's on the boat. It does have a Mercruiser 3.0 IO TKS. Does not have an hour meter, so sorry I don't know the exact hours on the boat. The bimini boot is ripped. Just need a new boot. Does have a full cover. Let's go inside here. Carpet's in good shape. Seats are in good shape. Tilt steering. Compass. Does have a stereo. Built-in cooler in the dash. Trolley motor. It's a motor guide. 80-pound thrust. Does have 3 batteries in it. These 2 back seats here around the center one are actually the fishing seats. So those come out. And this pad in the back here lifts up and one goes there. And one goes in the front here. You just pop it right in there and then you could have somebody fishing in the front, somebody fishing in the back. Does come with the GPS fish finder as well. This one should probably sell fast. It's really clean.